Blessings, everybody. Your missionary friend, Job Games. And I have a story to tell you how the Lord is using the ministry at the demonstration farm, not only at the community where we are, but also other communities to reach subsistence farmers. In this opportunity, we have the great, amazing adventure to travel 8 hours in Honduras. And for our country, that's a huge deal because you can cross Honduras in 5 hours from north coast to the south coast. So to travel 8 hours in Honduras, it was basically go and make a huge loop to get to this other community where we're going. But it was really important for us to go there because in this area, it is an ethnic group that lives there that they are called Tolupanes, and all of them practically are subsistence farmers, and they are not really open to the gospel. And there's a missionary living there with them and also trying to reach them with the gospel with a church plant process. And we brought to this community laying hens for producing eggs, so like the people there could start their little farm of laying hens. And also we brought some laying hens that were ready to be butchered to make soup because many of them do not have source of protein and they only live in a diet of corn tortillas and beans and whatever vegetables they can grow in their gardens. Many of them they just have that basic diet of corn and tortillas, and on top of that we were able also to provide them protein with the eggs, but also protein meat because some laying hens at the demonstration farm that they were old enough to be butchered, well, they got butchered and they serve as a meal for these families. And the blessing is not there only there because we also were able to bring some filters, and those filters are going to clean the water for these people for several years in a row. The studies claim that it's 20 years that these filters work, and it's a huge blessing because these families are going to have improved their health and hygiene using these filters. And on top of that, we brought 70 school kids, so like the kids of these subsistence farmers, this ethnic group, were able to have all the equipment that they need to keep going to school, to keep learning about how to read and how to write, and also some basic math, and who get the huge benefit on all that besides the families is the church plant process that is happening there, because we did all this effort through the missionary there, and the entire community recognized that this blessing come through this missionary. But truly all this blessing come from the Lord through you guys that are actually the ones that provide us funds so like we can keep impacting the communities of Honduras with the gospel. So thank you so much to each of you for doing that, and God bless you.